My garden is growing well and I'm getting a lot more rich curds. So I decided to try my friend and co-author of KKAG blog, Sandhya Puranik's Ghosale Ambat. This is a coconut-based non-spicy curry eaten along with rice. So first peel the two rich gourds and then chop into medium-sized pieces. Now to cook this with a little water till soft. Take a quarter cup of turi dal and one medium-sized potato. Wash the dal and chop the potato to medium pieces. Add water and pressure cook till done.
सर्वांके नमस्कार. आणिके व्हिडिओस घालूसला प्रेरणा तुम्ही तर दिम का तेंदुकुनु व्हिडिओस लाईक कराई तुंगल फ्रेंड्सांक सगळे शेअर कराई आणि सबस्क्राईब करू काही सांगा का.
Take 3/4 cup of grated coconut in a mixer jar. Add about 4 red chilies and half a teaspoon of tamarind paste. Now grind this to a smooth paste. Keep aside. You can use Bayadgi chilies for a good red color. Transfer the dal to a pan or kadai. Add the cooked rich curd. And the coconut paste. Add a little water and cook on medium flame. Add salt to taste. When it starts to boil, reduce flame and let simmer for a few more minutes. I have added a little haldi too, which is optional. Now this has cooked well. Switch off flame. For seasoning, take one finely chopped onion, add a little oil, and roast till golden brown. Now add the onion seasoning to the ambat. However, on auspicious days, instead of onions, a simple tempering of mustard and curry leaves is added. So do try this recipe and enjoy its delightful taste. As always, like, share and subscribe.